How you doing? I'm Darren with Kickin BBQ. If this is your first time to the channel, then welcome. If you've been here before, then welcome back. Today, we're talking bacon wrapped donut holes. Now, I can't take credit for this recipe. I'm not going to. I was flipping through YouTube last night and I was watching Swine Life BBQ's channel. Mark Williams over there, he did this recipe a couple weeks ago and I saw it and I was like, dang, bacon wrapped donut holes. I gotta give this a try. My variation is going to be a little bit different. I'm not using any rubs on mine. He used Killer Hog's Z barbecue rub, and he also used a caramel sauce. So I think we might do a little maple syrup on these instead of the caramel. But I'm going to leave a link down below to his video if you want to check that out, or I'll throw it up in the card up here somewhere. But I just wanted to give this a try. So basically what you do is you want to half cook your bacon so it's still pliable. I just threw this in the pit boss at 350 degrees for about 10 minutes, let it half cook and then let it cool. So then all you really want to do is just take your donut hole and just wrap it around. I mean, it's pretty self-explanatory, just bacon wrapped donut holes. And I'm gonna take a toothpick and just throw it through the center, and there it is, bacon wrapped donut hole. And the idea is to cook it low out on the pit boss at 225 degrees and just let that bacon finish up without overcooking the glaze on the outside of the donut, because these are glazed donut holes. And I actually had to go to 7 stores to get these last night. I don't know why people don't carry glazed donut holes anymore, but I figured it'd be a quick little video to throw up. I've been busy getting ready for competition season, stuff like that, so I haven't had a lot of time to film, but I at least wanted to get something up this week. So I saw Mark's video and I was like, well, I gotta try it. So this is going to be my take on that, and I'm going to get the rest of these wrapped up, and I'll meet you guys outside at the pit boss. Alright guys, you can see we have our bacon wrapped donut holes on the pit. We're just going to leave these on for about 20 minutes and let this bacon finish cooking up. So yeah, we'll check back in about 20 minutes and see how they're looking. So we'll see you guys then. Alright guys, so it's been about 20 minutes. See, our bacon's cooked up nicely. All I have here is a little bit of maple syrup. We're just going to go ahead and kind of glaze up these donut holes just to get a little bit more of that breakfast taste in here. And then after that, we're only going to let it set for about 5 minutes or so. Just going to get a little bit more sweetness in there. Get that nice sweet salty going here. I got that hickory smoke rolling from those cooking pellets. It smells absolutely delicious. Alright, so now we have our bacon wrapped donut holes basted up. We're just going to let them go for about 5 more minutes, and then we'll get them inside and give them a taste test. So I'll see you when it's time to try these. Alright guys, and you can see here our bacon wrapped donut holes are done. They smell delicious. They actually smell like breakfast. I'm really excited to try them. But first, let's just go over what we did. We half cooked our bacon. I just took some bacon, put it on a sheet pan, cooked it out on the pit boss at 350 degrees for about 10 minutes. Just wanted to half cook it, get it pliable. Went ahead and wrapped our glazed donut holes with the bacon. Got them back out on the pit boss at 225 degrees for about 20 minutes or until the bacon's done. Then we just glazed it with some regular old maple syrup. Now, it smells like breakfast in here. I mean, I love bacon and I like these little donut holes, so I'm guessing they're going to be good. I never would have thought of doing something like this. So again, I'm going to link Mark Williams' video for this from Swine Life BBQ up top here. Go and check out his process. He does things a little different. He uses the barbecue rub from Killer Hog's, and then he also uses a caramel sauce, which I think I might try that next time. I mean, this obviously isn't going to be an everyday breakfast thing for me. This will probably be when we're out at hunting camp or something. I'll whip these up for my buddies and I just to have a little snack on the go. But enough talking, let's just give it a try. I'm real excited. So bacon wrapped donut hole, 1 bite. Wow, that is absolutely delicious. That donut hole is nice and warm, so it's like it's just freshly cooked. You got the sweet, you got the salty. It hits on all the flavors that you'd expect it to. And I honestly didn't know what to expect making these. Like I said, I just wanted to get a video up for this week, but these are actually delicious, and I would probably do them again if somebody was interested in them and had never tried them. So, you know, shout out to Mark Williams again for dropping that video. It's a great idea. So, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to like, subscribe, ring that bell, stay safe, and we will see you next time.